What's going on? It's Anthony from S2K and the Ant, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the door panel off of a Lexus IS300. This particular car is a 2003 Lexus IS300, and here we go. First things first, first we got to remove the tweeter cover. It just comes off, just pull it off, just like that. Second, there's two Phillips head screws. There's one right here, hiding behind that cover. There's another one in here, right there. So go ahead and remove these two guys, and then pry this up, and everything should pop up. So what I'm using for the prying of this cover is a set I bought off of Amazon. Basically comes with all these plastic pry tools. Super useful because you won't have to scratch or scuff up any of your plastic pieces if you used like a screwdriver or something like that. So first things first, I'm gonna pry open the cover that covers the screw. Okay, and it comes off just like that. Next is I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to just remove that screw. So after that screw is removed, go ahead and use your plastic pry tool to pry this cover off. There we go. And then it comes off like that. Here at the door handle section, you want to remove this Phillips head screw. After all those screws are removed, the only thing to do left is to pull the door panel off of the door. It just comes off pretty easily. Just gotta pull at it, that, and then push up. The door panel is off of the door. Next to do is just remove the harness connections. The last one is down here. And that's how you remove the door panel on a Lexus IS300. So basically, you remove those two screws, remove the bracket around the door handle, and then unplug 3 harness connectors. 2 harness connectors are on the window switch stuff. So it's 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and the last one's the bottom near the light, the courtesy light. And that's how you do it. Simple as that. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as S2K and the Ant, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more DIYs for my Lexus cars or my S2000. Thanks. Bye.